Welcome to my channel. Our today's topic is Poem 1 of Class 9. We have The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. So, I'll give you the introduction to the poem. In the poem, The Road Not Taken, the road means our life. The road is the symbol for our life. The poet says that the path that we don't choose in our life is the road not taken. The title of the poem is The Road Not Taken, means the path which you do not select in your life. Then he describes his feelings about that choice that he had left in the past. The path which we have chosen decides our future, our destination. The important message that the poet wants to give is that the choice that we make has an impact on our future. And if we make a wrong choice, we regret it, but we cannot go back on it. So we must be wise while making our choices. Now, let us read the poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. So, in the stanza 1, here the meaning of the word diverged means separated in a different direction, went in different direction. Yellow wood means a forest with decomposing leaves, the leaves which are falling down. Undergrowth means the dense growth of plants and bushes, means the forest. So once the poet was walking down a road, and then there was a diversion. There were two different paths, and he had to choose one out of them. The poet says that as he was one person, he could travel on one road only. He had to choose one out of these two roads. Yellowwood means a forest with leaves which are wearing out, which are falling. They have turned yellow in color, the season of autumn. It represents a world which is full of people, where people have been living for many years. They represent people who are older than the poet. The poet kept standing there and looked at the path very carefully as far as he could see it. Before taking the path, he wanted to know how it was. So, was it suitable for him or not? He was able to see the path till from where it was curved, after which it was covered with trees and it was hidden. So it happens in our life also. When we have choices, we have alternatives, but we have to choose only one out of them. We take time to think about the pros and cons, about the advantages and disadvantages, whether it is suitable for us or not. And only then we take a decision on what path we should choose. Stanza 2. Ten took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Here, meaning of the word fair means as good as the other one. Claim means the better option. Grassy means it was unused, full of grass. Wanted wear means it was not used. The poet kept on looking at the path for a long time to check if it is the right path for him or not. And then he decided and started walking on another path because he felt that both the paths were equally good. He says, just as fair. So he felt that both the paths were equally good and started walking on one of them. He adds that maybe he felt that the path was better for him, so he chooses it, as it had grass on it, which means that it was unused, it was grassy. Not many people had walked on this path earlier, that is why this path was grassy. And wanted where means that it was not walked over by many people. After he walked on the path for some distance, he realized that both the paths had been worn out the same way. Then he realized that both the paths were used equally. So both the paths were similar and worn out. Even in our life, we take any path or option, but all of them have the same benefits, disadvantages, problems, challenges, and we must face them. We think that we are choosing a better option, but it is not that way. All the paths in our lives are also equal. They have the same problems and challenges, and we must face them if we want to succeed. Stanza 3. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Here, trodden means walked over. Many people had walked over that path. So the poet says that both the paths were similar that morning. Both had leaves on them, and no one had stepped on them as they were still green in color. Why were the leaves green? Because very less, or you can say that no person had come over there till now. He decided that that day he would take one path and keep the other path for another day. Although he knew that one way leads on to another way, means he knew that he could not come back on the choice that he had made. Means he cannot come back and take another path once he had started walking on one path. Similarly, in our life, once we choose an option, we must keep on moving ahead with that option and we never get a chance to come back. And we cannot take the option that we had left in the past. So be very wise, think twice and act wise because you will never get a second chance in the life. Stanza 4. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Here, sigh means to take a deep breath. Hence means in the future from many years. So the poet says that in the future he will take a deep breath, he will relax and say that once upon a time he had reached such a point in life that there were two options for him and he traveled on that road which had been traveled upon by lesser number of people. Means he wants to say that in the future when maybe when he'll be sitting with his family, he will describe his past when he had two choices and he had to select one out of that. He will describe it in the future. So now he has jumped forward in the future. That decision of his decided his future. Means the decision which he had taken in the past, the road which he had taken, has decided his future, has brought him over here. Similarly, in the future, when you grow up, then you will say that once upon a time when you were young, you had two options. The choice that you made you what you became of it. Means what you are today is because of your past. This is a very strong message for all the students that you should be wise and be careful while making choices out of the options that you have in your life because your future depends on the choice that you make today. Thank you, students.